Okay, so now you are in your computer and taking a screenshot is actually very simple. But before that, let's open up Google and search something. So animals, okay. Okay, now on your keyboard's top right corner you can see a button called print scan. Just press this once and now that's done. Now press the Windows button on your keyboard and type MS Paint. When you see MS Paint, click on it. Okay, now we are inside MS Paint. So now I want you to do is press Ctrl and V together. So it will paste the picture. I mean the screenshot you took. As you can see, we got our picture printed on the screen. Now you can edit it, crop it, anything you want. Now, on the top left corner, you can see an icon, save icon. Now click on that, and now you will get a window. Now wherever you want to save it, just save it. I want to save it on my desktop, and let's change the format to JPEG, and here you go. It's just that simple. Now, the other way of doing this, you hold the Windows button and print scan together and the screenshot will appear in your screenshots folder. So let's click on these wallpapers and take a screenshot. Done. Okay, and now I'm going to show you where the folder is. So first you have to open up the file explorer and click on the pictures and you can see your screenshots folder here, and here you go. And this is the one I took. So that's how you take a screenshot on a Windows computer. I hope you liked the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.